Fun times. Welcome back to my Garage of Dreams, where we try our best to save some classic cars that have landed on some hard times. We can't make them perfect, but we can show them some love and hopefully make them drivable again. Leaving them in a field to rust away or letting them get scrapped is just a shame. Hang out with us for some fun. But first, please like, share, and subscribe because that helps us do what we can to save some classics. Thank you very much for doing that. So let's see what's up for this week. This is a great week for me since I get to introduce you to one of my bucket list cars and some fond memories. Back when I was 7 years old, this car was brand new and taking the U.S. by storm. My father and I loved watching NASCAR races and debating about which cars were the fastest and who were the best drivers. Well, my father was a David Pearson fan, number 21 in a Mercury Cyclone, and of course I was a Richard Petty fan, number 43 in the Plymouth Roadrunner and a Superbird. What a cool name that is. Amazingly, Richard Petty won 18 races in 1970, and he is still the winningest driver at 200 wins in his career. A crash at Darlington almost ended Richard's life in the Roadrunner. He was supposed to be running his Superbird, but had crashed it in practice and had to bring out the Roadrunner to run the race. The Roadrunner was set up for short track racing, so it wasn't ideal for Darlington's fast, high, banked corners. He lost control and hit the pit wall head-on and rolled it several times. Luckily, he survived and continued his incredible season. The Plymouth Superbird and the Dodge Daytonas stole the show in 1970. They could not be defeated with their 200-mile-an-hour top speeds and stability thanks to the huge back wing. But it's always been the 1970 Roadrunner that was burned into my memories as a kid as the baddest car of all time. I have owned two previous 70s, a GTX and a Roadrunner. Unfortunately, both were really rusty and neither had a title. I passed them on to two other owners who were insane enough to restore them. My pockets are nowhere near deep enough to restore those two, but I'm glad they were given another chance. Now, this is my new Roadrunner. It is no cream puff, but it's got a solid frame and a title. I will be sharing my efforts to bring my dream car back to life and back on the streets. I can't wait till that day comes. To help support me, please subscribe and follow the build. Thanks for watching and commenting. I enjoy hearing your stories.